Hi, I'm Steph
And I'm Vicki
from MotherDaughterProjects.com.
The HDX 10-ounce smooth rod caulk gun features a squeeze grip application, an integrated seal punch, and a spout cutter for your convenience. This hand tool is 9 inches long and works with 10-ounce tubes. Steel construction with a 6-to-1 thrust ratio, which means it moves a lot of product per squeeze. This is a great tool for basic DIY homeowner needs.
To use the tool, cut the spout off the caulk tube with a built-in spout cutter or a heavy-duty pair of scissors. Start with a smaller cut to the spout, as you can always cut it larger if you need a bigger bead of caulk. To break the seal, the HDX caulk gun features an easy-to-use built-in seal punch. Push in the plunger release, pull the plunger back, and insert the tube into the caulk gun canister tray. Pull the trigger to start dispensing the caulk, adhesive, or other sealants from the tube. Here we're repairing a bedroom baseboard by sealing the top with caulk. Find various caulk finishing tools at Home Depot or HomeDepot.com. Need to refresh the caulking in a bathroom? The HDX 10-ounce smooth rod caulk gun makes quick work of this home maintenance project.
HDX also has a few versions of these, one that is drip-free, another that is bigger and heavy-duty. Order today at HomeDepot.com for in-store pickup or curbside pickup.